Hey everyone, welcome back to Advice Hour. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of investment options and how they can help you build wealth. Here are the 7 proven assets for wealth building and financial security. Let's get started. Number 1. Stocks. When you buy stocks, you're essentially owning a small piece of a company. Think of Warren Buffett, who's famous for his long-term investments in companies like Coca-Cola and Apple. If the company grows, so does the value of your shares. Stocks can be a fantastic way to build wealth over time, especially if you invest in companies with strong growth potential and hold onto them long-term. Number 2. Bonds. Bonds are like lending money to the government or a corporation, and in return, they pay you back with interest. Consider Bill Gates, who includes bonds in his investment portfolio to balance risk. Bonds are a safer bet compared to stocks, making them great for balancing your investment portfolio and securing a predictable income. Number 3. Real estate. Real estate involves buying property to generate rental income and benefit from property value appreciation. Donald Trump, known for his real estate empire, exemplifies how investing in property can lead to significant wealth. It's a tangible asset that provides both cash flow and long-term appreciation, making it a cornerstone of wealth building. Number 4. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are a basket of different stocks and bonds, managed by a professional. Take Oprah Winfrey, for instance, who has invested in mutual funds to diversify her portfolio. This allows you to benefit from diversification and professional management without having to pick individual stocks and bonds yourself. Number 5. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. ETFs are similar to mutual funds but trade like stocks on an exchange. They allow you to invest in a particular sector or market index. Elon Musk, for example, has exposure to the tech sector through ETFs. This allows investors to benefit from diversification and easy trading. Number 6. Precious metals. Gold, silver, and other precious metals have been valuable for centuries. Ray Dalio, the hedge fund manager, often emphasizes the importance of including gold in your portfolio. They often retain their value even during economic downturns, offering a hedge against inflation and market volatility. Number 7. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are digital assets with a potential for high returns. Remember when Tesla, under Elon Musk's leadership, bought Bitcoin? While the market can be volatile, they can diversify your portfolio and potentially yield significant gains. By incorporating a mix of these assets, you can create a balanced and diversified portfolio that helps build wealth and ensures financial security. Each asset class has its unique benefits and risks, so it's essential to understand and choose the ones that align with your financial goals. Remember, diversification across different asset classes can help mitigate risk and enhance potential returns. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you next time.